What's up guys, and today we are gonna be doing the same thing in the last video, the Hatsune Miku. Okay, DoorDash. Let's go. DoorDash. Let's go, let's DoorDash. Let's dash through the doors. I think it's this one. It has to be this one, or no. Let's go. Up here, inside there, twist over and under. Let's go. If you want, you can join our Discord server. Link will be in the description. And yeah, if you want, you can join our Discord server. Link will be in the description. And yeah, I also have a goal of getting 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So can you please make that happen by liking and subscribing? It would help a lot. So yeah, if you can, just take some time to hit that subscribe button and like button. Ooh, Frantic Factory. Frantic Factorious. Let's go. Let's go with Frantic Factorious. Frantic Factorious. Ah, come on, we didn't get that button. How did someone already qualify? Let's go. Let's go up. No. 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 Yes! 2 points. We need 3 more points. Let's go. Yes! One more point. No. Yes! Let's go! Jumper Club. Okay, let's go. Last time was Daniel, remember what happened. So that's why I'm not going on it, because I did not know that the pink one can go onto the... But Jump Club is very easy with these things. For the quest, it makes it easy. It makes it very easy. It's just like the satellite repair mission, but I like these quests more than the satellite repair mission, because the satellite repair mission, if someone takes it, it's gone. But this one, if someone else takes it, it's still there for you. So it's available for everyone. So yeah, let's go. So let's go. Run. Hopefully we get on the front. I hope we get on the front, because then we can get the hexagon shortcut. Let's go. No, why did we get on the back? But hey, at least we're closer. Let's go. Jump up here. Take that. No! Just kidding, maybe. Okay. 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 Let's go. Up. 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 My controller is rumbling. 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 Rumbling, I said. Rumbling! Now there's the easy part. I figured it out. Just go right here through. It's very easy. Oh, I can do the Superman jump. No. I need to walk up. You really have to do it, Fall Guys. And that's not a compliment either, Fall Guys. Mediatonic. I am ripping you off. You gotta be kidding. Yeah. Thundera, run. Please spawn in the front. I really want to spawn in the front. Really want to spawn in the front. Yeah. Please front respawn. Yes, and it's even close. Let's go. Let's go. Bro got crack. Bro on that. No. Lie it. But believe it. That Renee is having a right. Really. This is so hard. This is hard as... Please. No! How did that just dart through the air? What even was that? People are already qualifying. I hate Tundra Run. You see? Like, you see how annoying Tundra Run is? Like, do you see how annoying Tundra Run is? Let's go. Finally, we can get that out of my way because I hate it so hard that I never even want to hear the word tundra again. Not even tundra. Yeah, see, this is why I hate and not like, don't like. Hey! Run! Ooh, party promenade with the hexagons. I have a bad pass with the hexagons. Very bad pass. Let's go. Front row spawn. This is gonna be ease. Whee! Sort of first in the pipe. Well, not first exactly. Joint first with the Among Us. Got in there. Pretty much everyone got the green pipe now because of the hexagons. You can pretty much choose where you want to land with the hexagons, like literally. Okay, let's go. Let's go up. Yeah, I really don't like the Fall Guys. It's really annoying. You know what I mean? Huh? Yes. We got in. It's okay. At least we made it. Let's go! Tundra Run. This time, I ain't gonna take them hexagons. I ain't. I just ain't. Sorry, I ain't. That's what I'm saying. I ain't taking them hexagons. I'm going that way. Actually, sure. Since I'm so close, why don't I take the hexagons? Yeah. Actually, never mind. I'll actually just go again. Let's go. Up. Please. Can I make it? Yes. No! That's it. I am going the normal way. Hooray! It's much easier. And it's not impossible. And it's not impossible on the first try. Hooray! That's why I'm going this route. The easy route. Which I don't care if I am doing. So who cares? Let's go. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Because I really hate Tundra Run. For many reasons. Please, wake me up. Wake me up. You really gotta be kidding me. Like, now you have to. There's no way you're not kidding me. Oh, hexagon route. Actually, you know what? Easy route. Because I ain't taking any more of this madness with me. I'm taking it all out. I don't want any more of this madness, so goodbye. Yes, easy. Easy, much easier. Thank you. Thank you. A round of applause. Round of applause for not being deafeningly annoyed by that. Let's go. Pull up in my Lamborghini. Okay, it's fine. Let's go. We're gonna qualify. Let's go. Ooh, DoorDash. Okay. DoorDash. Let's go. We're dashing through the doors. Yeah. Yours. Yeah. It's sincerely yours. Yeah. DoorDash, dashing through the doors. Holy. If you want, you can join our Discord server, link in the description. Feel free to join that. Post some clips so we can react to them on the channel. And yeah, I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so be sure to subscribe and like if you want to help me with my goal. So yeah, that's all I need to give out. If you want to join my Discord server, link in the description. It's link in the description for my Discord server. And subscribe, it's easy. Just click those like the thumbs up and the red button. It'll turn gray. Flying. We qualified. Let's go. We qualified. Yeah. What is hoverboard survival 2? That is weird. I don't know what that name is. Why is it not hoverboard hyperdrive heroes? I don't know. That's weird. The septic jack's eye. It's the septic jack's eye. Look at it. That's it, guys. See you later in the next video.